6 months. No, take that back. A year. A year. If I'd have known what I was getting into before I got into it, probably could have installed it in like an hour, maybe less. I'll go in there and they have 5 sheets of the 1/4-inch drywall I need laying down on a cart with 50% off it. And I was like, okay, yeah, that's a good start. Had a little bit of damage, nothing major. Had some like torn paper, I could fix that. But then they only had 2 not broken sheets, and I started to pull those out to look at them, and they were broken on the backside. So total of 7 sheets. I need 10. That's not going to cut it. Plus, it'd have been a lot of extra work trying to fix all the damage. So I guess we're going to the blue store instead of the orange one. This is real frustrating. Not only did Lowe's not have 1/4-inch drywall, they didn't even show to have it, didn't have a spot for it, like didn't even offer it. What do I do now? There's only one thing to do at a time like this.
Call may be recorded. Tell me how I can help. You can say things like check product availability or
Check product availability. New plan. I just ordered it for store pickup. They show like 70 sheets in stock. But the weird thing is they show 3 different brands and all of them show the exact same quantity on hand. So, I don't know. I'm kind of inclined to think that they will probably email me and tell me that they are unable to complete the order, but I don't want to drive all the way to the other side of town. Alright, so I think the new plan for the day is to take Justin's truck back and finish wiring up the remote start on the FJ like we started to the other day. My frustrations are growing. Everything's working right. The car runs fine. Everything's plugged in, but I can't get the remote to program. So I'm going to go get a new battery and try new batteries and see if that works. If not, then I got to wait on another email from the company that I ordered this remote start kit from. So here we are. Back home, new batteries. In theory, if these batteries are just old, and even though the light's blinking, it's just not giving a strong enough signal. Beep's a good sign. Hard to click. Hard another click. 2 clicks. Good. Good. Push and hold. push the brake, it should cut off. And it does. Good. Good. Yeah. Everything seems to be working the way it's supposed to, so I guess we're gonna let her ride. I'm not gonna quite button everything up yet. I'm gonna make sure everything works normally for like a day or so, and then I'll tidy all this up. Yeah, not bad.